delivery 12545 heavy, ready for clearance to San Francisco.
Qantas 545 heavy clear to San Francisco via published departure procedures. Then as filed, climb to altitude 5,000 feet, squawk 5252, departure frequency 129.7.
Cleared to San Francisco via published departure procedures, then as filed, climb to altitude 5,000 feet, squawk 5252, departure 129.7, 12545 heavy.
Qantas 545 heavy, read back correct.
Desmond clearance through the X-ray Foxtrot Victor, flight 710 progressive, request 2 hours clearance. X-ray Foxtrot Victor, just confirming the call sign. I've got X-ray Foxtrot Zulu again, please. We changed that about 30 minutes ago. Yes, we are advised. X-ray Foxtrot Victor, okay, doesn't look like it's come through to us yet, but not a problem. You're clear to Glasgow via Maroochydore, flight plan route. Present clearance every morning, Echo Whiskey Bravo, flight 778 to cross the 500 press clearance. Whiskey Bravo, clearance delivery, clear to cross the pilot via Coral, flight plan route. Maintain flight level 200, Coral 2 departure, 4635, departure frequency 124.35. Clear to cross the by Coral, plan route flight level 200, Coral 2 departure, score 4635, 124.35, Echo Whiskey Bravo. Paramount 5 departure. Squawk 1075, first airborne frequency 25, J46.
Laravel, plan route flight level 200, for Laravel, farm departure, code 1075, departure 126, hang up right.
Single up golf, thanks, sorry, just missed 11, confirming on this aircraft.
Tower on a handheld radio, check all heavy route.
Unreadable.
Ground 12545 heavy at the ramp, ready to put.
Welcome aboard.
Qantas
Today,
545 heavy clear. Start at your discretion.
Every aeroplane is
Contact
different.
ground.
That's why
On
you need to watch this demonstration.
121.7.
Having your seatbelt done up low and tight is absolutely essential during takeoff, landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is on.
Good morning.
It is a Qantas
X-ray
requirement
Foxtrot Quebec, flight 78.
Ground on 121.7, 12545 heavy.
by putting the clasp in the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. Every time you fly, you are likely to be sitting in a different seat. That means that the escape route to the nearest exit is different for every flight. Look where the cabin crew are pointing and work out where your nearest exit is. The crew will also point out the lights that indicate a path to the exit. Finally,
Brisbane clearance for Big Day, Charlie Zulu Golf.
not permitted anywhere
Flight
on this aircraft.
62 for Cairns, request
If
air
you're not sure about anything
Sorry, we're golf today. Chan's like Coral plan route. Maintain flight level 200. Coral 2 departure.
Your safety
Squawk
is our
6236.
priority.
First airborne frequency 124.35.
We'll do Cairns via Coral, flight plan route Coral 2 departure, flight level 200, squawk 6236, departure frequency 124.35, Charles de Gaulle.
No, the golf, thanks. There's a ground Kilo Juliet Delta for Brisbane via Richie, request airways clearance. Kilo Juliet Delta, g'day. Your clearance to Maroochydore initially is direct Maroochydore, 8,000, radar 5 departure, squawk 4555, and airborne 125.86. Direct Maroochydore 8,000, radar 5.
316. Eva, flight number 310.
Eva 316, Roger, your clearance to Taipei, and via Ibuna, Sandra, maintain flight level 200. I've been at 1 departure. Squawk 1035, flight level 200. Coral 2 departure. Squawk 4532, first airborne frequency 124.35.
Before pushback check. Okay, before pushback checks. APU running. APU bleed is cabin report received. External power. Electrical power. Doors closed. Beacon on. Ready for pushback. Before pushback checks.
920 is seeking clearance for Nandi, flight level 330. Copied Quebec.
Commander for Bankstown, request 06.
Roger, 5 business.
Parking brake set. Brake pressure up.
Ground, Qantas 859 at Bravo 3.
Qantas 859, ground, taxi to the ramp.
Taxi to the ramp, roger, Qantas 859.
Clearance delivery, good morning. Foxtrot Bravo, Thunderbird, flight 716. Straight Foxtrot Bravo, good morning. Cleared the Bundy by bridge, planned route. Flight level 160, radar 5 departure. Squawk 4411, first airborne frequency 124.35. West Bundy by bridge, flight level 160, radar 5 departure. 4411 and 124.
Squawk 1155, departure is 125.6, heading Indian.
Heading Indian.
First for the good morning, Hoki. Quebec, flight 67 to Melbourne, request airways.
Quebec, cleared to Melbourne via Laramale, planned route. Maintain flight level 200, Laramale 5 departure. Squawk 1045, first airborne frequency 125.6.
Melbourne, Laramale, plane route. Laramale 5, flight 200, code 1045 and 1256 airborne. Thank you, Quebec.
Thank you, Quebec.
G'day, Tango for Zulu, flight 623 to Melbourne, request room.
Zulu, g'day, clear to Melbourne via Laramale, planned route. Maintain flight level 200, Laramale 5 departure. Squawk 1042, first airborne frequency 125.6.
You can clear to Melbourne via Laramale, planned route, flight level 200, Laramale 5, squawk 10.
Ground 12545 heavy is with you at the ramp. Request taxi runway 34 left.
Qantas 545, heavy ground, taxi holding point, runway 34 left, QNH 1010.
Runway 34 left, QNH 1010, 1545.
Good afternoon, Tango, November Uniform.
Tango November Uniform, good afternoon, runway 14 off, and clear to land.
Tango, November Uniform.
Runway 201, clear to land.
To the lounge, Golf Charlie.
Golf Charlie, surface wind 060 degrees, 109.
Golf Charlie.
Qantas 545, heavy tail, runway 34 left, line up to wait.
Runway 34 left, roger, 12545 heavy.
Before takeoff checks. Okay, before takeoff checks.
Romeo, Costa.
Clear for takeoff.
Tango Juliet,
Transponder.
Qantas 5
Checklist
4 5, heavy winds 235 at 8, runway 34 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear to takeoff 12545 heavy.
Okay, g'day, new approach runway 19.
Victor Tango.
Cabin crew crew prepare for takeoff.
Hello Alpha, clear for touch. Down to Alpha.
Airspeed active. knots. 100 knots. 120. 140.
Present tower, Charlie, 2 kilo afternoon. Charlie, kilo, g'day, runway 14,
V1. Rotate 30 degrees. V2. Positive rate. Gear up. Gear going up. Gear up and locked. Thanks.
November Juliet Hotel. November Juliet Hotel, afternoon, runway 01, clear to land. November Juliet Hotel.
Qantas 545, heavy contact, departure 129.7.
Flaps 5.
Over to departure 129.7. Departure 12545 heavy is with you, leaving 1,700 feet or 5,000 feet.
Qantas 545, heavy departure, radar contact, climb to altitude 10,000 feet.